Chinese President Xi Jinping has met his Venezuelan counterpart Nicolas Maduro. The two sides have agreed to upgrade the two countries' ties from a strategic partnership for common development to a comprehensive strategic partnership. Venezuela is the third leg of Xi Jinping's four-nation Latin American tour. Earlier, he was welcomed by Maduro at Caracas airport. The two counterparts will also attend the closing ceremony of the 13th meeting of the China-Venezuela High-Level Joint Commission. The two sides are expected to sign a series of cooperation deals on finance, infrastructure, agriculture and high-tech industries. Before Venezuela, Xi Jinping visited Brazil and Argentina. In Brazil, he attended the 6th BRICS summit and met leaders of Latin American and Caribbean nations. He will also go to Cuba next.